Hello and welcome to playgroundai Image Generation XL. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our cutting-edge technology that enables us to create stunning, lifelike images of your choice. Our technology is designed to make the creative process simpler and more accessible to everyone. Whether you're a professional photographer, artist, or just someone who wants to add a personal touch to their photos, playgroundai Image Generation 4D can help you achieve your vision. The process is incredibly easy. You simply upload a photo or select one from your device, and our AI-powered algorithm begins to work its magic. In just a matter of seconds, you'll have a stunning image that reflects your creativity and artistic vision. But that's not all. Our technology also allows you to adjust the image to your liking. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, color, and other settings to create an image that perfectly reflects your personal style. One of the great things about playgroundai Image Generation 4D is that it's incredibly customizable. You can create images that are specific to a theme, such as flowers or animals. Or you can create images that are entirely unique to you. And because our technology is powered by AI, it can automatically adjust to different lighting conditions and create images that are consistent and high quality no matter what the lighting is. So, whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your photos or simply want to create stunning images that you can be proud of, playgroundai Image Generation 4D is the perfect solution. With our technology, creating images has never been easier or more fun. Thank you for joining us today too. Learn more about playgroundai Image Generation 4D. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Thank you again for watching.